Hey everyone, the Geekom IT12 is one of the most compelling options in the mini PC market right now, blending strong performance with compact design and thoughtful expandability. What sets it apart immediately is the configuration. It comes powered by Intel's Core i7-1280P processor, a flagship-level chip from the Alder Lake family. This is a 14-core CPU with efficiency and performance cores working together, making it more than capable of handling demanding multitasking, productivity workloads, and even creative applications. Paired with 32 gigs of DDR4 memory out of the box, the system is responsive and smooth, while the option to upgrade up to 64 gigs ensures longevity for power users. Storage is another highlight. The IT12 comes with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, ensuring fast boot times and rapid file transfers. For those who need more, Geekom has included both an extra M.22242 slot and a 2.5-inch SATA bay, so expanding storage is straightforward. This flexibility is one of the advantages mini PCs like this offer over Ultrabooks, as you can increase capacity without replacing the primary drive. Connectivity is robust for such a small system. The IT12 includes dual HDMI 2.0 outputs and 2 USB 4 ports, which means it can easily handle multiple 4K monitors for a serious productivity setup. On top of that, there are 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for high-speed peripherals, Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless accessories, and Wi-Fi 6E for faster, more reliable wireless networking. For those who prefer wired connections, the inclusion of a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port is excellent, providing faster and more stable networking performance than the usual gigabit port found in many compact PCs. The mini PC ships with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, which is a big plus for users who want enterprise-level features or just prefer having the most up-to-date system ready to go out of the box. The design itself is understated, clean, and compact, making it easy to place on a desk without it looking cluttered or to mount discreetly behind a monitor. When considering its price, especially during Geekom's anniversary blowout sale, the IT12 becomes even more attractive. The already reduced sale price combined with the additional promo code makes it a bargain relative to its specifications. At $419, you're essentially getting a mini powerhouse at the cost of an entry-level laptop. In daily use, the Geekom IT12 shines in office work, media consumption, coding, and even moderate content creation like photo editing or light video editing. It is not intended to be a dedicated gaming machine, but the integrated Iris X graphics can handle casual gaming or less demanding titles quite well. The quiet operation and small footprint also make it ideal for home offices, classrooms, or as a media center PC in the living room. Overall, the Geekom IT12 feels like one of the most well-rounded and versatile mini PCs in its price range. It provides excellent performance for the majority of users, offers meaningful expandability, and packs in enough modern connectivity to rival much larger desktops. For anyone considering a NUC12 alternative or simply wanting a reliable, compact workstation, the IT12 is hard to ignore, especially at its current discounted price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.